mo na to avoid hiccups once na operational na po, no, we do dry run po. No? We do dry run, yun naman po mas importante. At kung meron pa, magkakaroon pa ng mga konting problema later, iparating nyo po sa amin. That's the beauty of this conversation, discussion, kasi alam din po namin na kayo ang nakakaalam, at makaasa po kayo. We're going to address it. No? So we welcome any comments, if whether it's a constructive criticism or not, just let us know. Pero makakaasa naman po kayo na kami ngayon, we're confident, no, na once operational to, magiging maayos po.
Sir, do we have a specific date on the start of the operation?
As of now po, meron tayo kasing 97% na completion rate. Meron lang kaming inaayos as to that 3%. Dito na po yung pumapasok yung katanungan ni Sir, na kahit pa paano yung hiccups na maiiwasan namin, mababawasan namin. As to the exact date or schedule of the operation, we're targeting it this March po. It would be like, hopefully this March talaga matapos na po natin.
Ano po yung 3% po?
It's more of, sabi nga namin, tying the loose ends. No? Alam nyo po naman po, pagdating sa gobyerno, not only pag nakita mo yung proyekto, pwede na. Kailangan mo kasi itama at itugma sa papeleles na nasa iyo.
May we ask what these loose ends are?
It's more of the punch listing. If it's was it the entire project according to the program of work, to the design, madetalye po eh. Kaya sinasabi ko po na hindi lang po ito isang locally funded project. Ito po ay foreign assisted project with World Bank. So the requirements becomes more strict kahit pa paano.
Sir, matatapos na yung loan by September 2026. So, what are the plans of the OTR to ensure that yung second phase ng project will be implemented?
Yes. Last year po when we assumed office, no, kasama po namin Secretary Vince, even si Yusef Castro, isa po talaga na binigyan namin ng importance. No? Ito ang ating Cebu PR. We met with the World Bank at nakita namin na talaga naantala. No? May mga kailangan namin pabilisin ng proseso. So ang unang ginawa ni Sec Vince, kami just make kwento para makita nyo kung gaano kakomplikado. Nagbago siya kaagad ng procurement committee, yung sinasabi sa awards committee. No? So we spoke with kung anong kailangan ng technical advisor, pinabilis namin lahat. Now, moving forward, because of the delay, that accumulated delay na to, talagang alam namin na baka mahirapan namin na matapos the entire project by 2026. So ang contingent namin na to is pinag-aaralan na namin